Antibody nomenclature in 60 seconds. Prefix is random. Part 1 is the target organ on which the antibody works. Part 2 is the source of origin of antibodies. And all antibodies have suffix MAB, which means monoclonal antibodies. If the target is tumor, TU is used, for example rituximab. If the target is circulatory system, CI is used, for example bevacizumab. If the target is virus, VI is used, for example palivizumab. If the target is bacteria, BAC is used, for example panovaxumab. If the target is immune system, LI is used, for example infliximab. If the source of antibody is mouse, O is used. If the source of antibody is rat, A is used. If the source of antibody is fully human, then U is used. If the source of antibody is humanized, which means human antibodies contain some part of mouse antibody, then ZU is used. If the source of antibody is chimeric, which means variable part of antibody from mouse and constant part of antibody from human,